This is the drink that turns up the heat down a notch. Crisp, sharp, endlessly refreshing. We start with lime. Fresh, bright acidity that cuts straight through the spice of the ginger beer later. Two ounces of gin. Aromatic juniper forward. The backbone of this entire build. 1 ounce of simple syrup. 5 mint leaves go in next. This is where the aroma starts. Now muddle, but gently. You're not crushing rocks, you're coaxing oils out. Press too hard, and that mint turns bitter, fast. Ice in, lid on, and shake. Hard and fast. The classic copper mug. Packed with fresh ice, strain it in. And if you're enjoying this one, go ahead. Like the video, subscribe for more. Now the finishing touch. 1 ounce of ginger beer, poured slowly to keep every bit of that fizz. Take your mint sprig, give it 1 sharp slap between your palms. That single motion releases the oil, so the very first thing you smell is mint before you even taste a drop. Crisp, bright, just spicy enough. The Ginger and Mint Gin Mule, your new go-to.